Ryan.
Okay, riders,
Mitchell.
random start.
Bailey Robinson.
Riders ready, watch the gate.
60 crews are following Wilson and Smith right now. It is Smith riding the red line out of the Dayton, Ohio area. He's been doing it for a long time. This dude's a survivor. He listens to Survivor. I guarantee it. It's Tony Smith. Goldston in the 2 from Toledo. Fowler, 3 and 4 right now. T. Smith coming down the final trailer. Smith, Goldston, Fowler, 54, looking strong. Fowler, I think it's his brother. Right on, dude. 82.
Okay, riders, random
Smith,
start.
Goldston, Fowler.
Riders ready, watch the gate.
Wait.
All lads, 61, 65, crews with Johnson with the run. Richard Barone, stop the edge in the run. Right now, Barone, Rick Barone in front. Johnson's got something for him. Kenny McKinney's in there. Barone getting gnarly. Barone getting lofty. Kept out Johnston trying to make up some ground. Right now, it's Barone. Shirts down, he's going. Barone. Johnston broken gnarly. Johnston in the hunt. Jimmy McKinney. Barone, Johnston, McKinney. 5 and under novice, Moto 20.
Woo!
Great race, guys.
I almost flipped the gate.
Oh, I saw that.
Young, Whaley, Lopez, Santa, Ransdell, Bailey, Lampton winning. Here we go. Little tykes, little bikes,
You can hang on
little
to it.
number plates, lots of heart. I know Winnet's in there, Lamps.